morning, children. How are you? Doing great? And how are you spending time at home? Yes? Having fun at home? During summers, enjoying, right? Great. So today I have a new, very interesting and healthy activity for you. Today I am sharing with you a very healthy cooking without fire recipe. Okay? So tell me, do you eat sprouts? Yes? Do you eat sprouts? And do you know how we make sprouts? Do you know? And do you want to know? Okay, I'll teach you. Yes, let's see how we will make sprouts. Okay? So first see. These are sprouts. Yes, what are these? These are sprouts. And how do we make sprouts? Yes, do you know? I'll tell you, okay? We make sprouts by, you can take a bowl and you can add water in the sprouts, and then you can, overnight you can soak them, okay? And you can also, like in the morning, you can tie a cloth and you can just cover the sprouts. These are basically seeds only, okay? So what the seed needs air, and seed needs warmth, okay? Warmth also. So when you tie them into a cloth, so with the warmth of the cloth, the sprouts, see, the roots will emerge. Can you see, children? Yes. When we tie the cloth, with the warmth of the cloth, after that the roots can be seen, okay? So for a seed we need two things, warmth and air, okay? Yes. So similarly you can also try making sprouts at home. Yes, see? So what I am going to share with you, I am sharing a very healthy sprout salad with you, okay? First, let's see the ingredients. These are sprouts. I have taken 1 bowl sprouts. Then I have tomatoes, 1 medium-sized tomato. Then I have 1 medium-sized onion with me. Okay? And I have, you can take 1 medium-sized potato. I have 2 small-sized potatoes. Okay? And these are pomegranate. You can add them. Okay? And this is lemon. Right? And I have chaat masala with me and table salt. Okay? Also called, you can kala namak. Okay? You can add these to make your sprout chart interesting, right? So and also what you can do, right? You can take, similarly you can, like I have taken these sprouts, you can take chola, you can take rajma, or also you can take peanuts also, Yes, you can take corn. Like similarly you can try out, you can different things, whatever is available at your place, you can try out this recipe and enjoy. We can eat it in the morning breakfast, we can eat it as a evening snack, right? Anything, anytime you can eat it, anytime convenient. Okay, so let's get going. First, what I am going to do, with the help of a chopping board, I am cutting potatoes, okay? And we will cut them very small size, okay? I am using a plastic knife. I'm trying to cut very small. and these are boiled potatoes. Okay, yes, these are boiled potatoes. There are lots of different like other vegetables also available. You can add them also similarly if you want to eat it. You can include them. Otherwise, you can exclude them. It is up to you. Okay. See, now I have done the chopping and I will add them in the bowl. Okay, so let's start one by one. First, I will take one bowl of sprouts and I will add them in the bowl. Okay, and yes, you can even steam them if you want. You can also steam them. You can eat them like this also. And they also give a lovely taste while we steam them, right? So then we'll add tomatoes. Okay, one medium-sized tomato. Then I'm adding onion, one medium size. Okay, and I have can you see the like chopped? It is fine chopped, very small, it's fine chopped. Then I am adding boiled potatoes, and now I'll mix them, right, like this. According to your taste, and you can add chaat masala. Okay, like I'll sprinkle 3-4 times. Okay, and then table salt. This is the normal salt which is available at your home, that normal white salt. Okay, I by mistake I mentioned kala namak. It's not kala namak. Okay, it's the normal white salt. Okay, that you can add. Then we can add some pomegranate. Okay, so this will give a lovely color. Okay, then see, and then you can mix them. lovely, see, and healthy too, right? Yes, children, sprouts are rich in fiber. Yes, they are also rich in protein. And protein, what does protein do? Protein helps us in development of our body. Yes, so protein is very important and very necessary for our body. Okay, so it has lots of fiber and lots of protein. Then what we will do, with the help of the squeezer, lemon squeezer, we will be squeezing the lemon. Okay, I have taken one lemon. We will be squeezing it. Okay. This is looking delicious. I have added one lemon. Okay. Now we will mix it. This is looking lovely, and I really feel like I'll eat it. It's looking so yummy. So here see, the the salad is ready. Now let's serve it. Okay. So I have taken bowl and I am adding the sprouts in the bowl. Okay, and what you can do, you can add freshly coriander leaves in this. Okay, fine chopped. Okay, and then this will give a nice and delicious taste, right? And look also. Okay, so do try out this recipe at home and enjoy with your parents. So you can see that our sprout salad is ready. So we need something to drink with it. Okay, so you know that these are so summery days and it is so hot outside. So we can try out making lassi. Okay, sweet lassi. So what you can do here, I have taken half bowl of thick curd. Okay, which is easily available in the market also. This is a very thick curd. So to go with it, we need half glass of water because the curd is very thick. Okay, so I've taken half glass of water and fine crushed sugar. Okay, yes, can you see? And I will add one spoon of sugar. Okay, this is finely crushed. See, so let's start. Okay, I've added the curd. Then I'm adding water, half glass of water, and this measurement is for 1 glass of sweet lassi. Okay, I am adding one spoon of fine crushed sugar. I have this whisker with me. Okay, so with the help of this whisker, we can, and with our hands, we can just do like this. Okay, yeah, and our sweet lassi will be prepared. Okay, right, for like 1 minute or so, so that all the thick curd, it's like it's no more thick, and the water and the curd, they are mixed together nicely. Also the sugar, right? That is why we are using fine crushed sugar. Okay, and you know that sugar gives us lots of energy. So similarly, this drink is also very healthy, and it will give you a lot of energy, right? And this is also very healthy, right? You can drink it in the morning with your breakfast, okay, in the afternoon, or anytime whenever you want to have. So now our sweet lassi is ready, and we will serve it. Okay, let's serve it. Pour it like this only. So you can see this is our lassi ready, and you can add if you have almonds or nuts at home, you can fine chop them also, and you can garnish them. You can add elaichi powder if you have, to just make. You can add tutti frutti if you like, if kids enjoy, if you enjoy, then you can also add tutti frutti, and whatever, which you can add ruabsa. These days ruabsa is available at home. You can also add ruabsa to make it more colorful and nice. So you can try out different combinations. So see, this is our sprout salad and a healthy drink along with a sweet lassi. So these two are very healthy recipes, and you should definitely try out this recipe this summers and have fun. Okay, have fun. Bye bye.